So today I'm going to show you how to make a low-carb keto green smoothie. So it's a really simple smoothie recipe that I use almost every day, and ingredients are really cheap. So I'm gonna start by peeling the lemon. Okay. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown flaxseed. Then 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Then I'm gonna add some organic extra virgin coconut oil, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm gonna add some organic kale. So I'm gonna use 3 leaves. And then I'm gonna use organic liquid stevia, and I'm gonna add around 12 drops. Then I'm gonna add around 1 glass of water. Then I'm gonna blend for 1 minute. Okay, so the smoothie is ready, and I made it for 2, by the way. Okay, so that's it. This is my green keto smoothie. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.